All right, good morning. Today we're going to be talking about multiples and factors. If you didn't do well on the quiz or you need some additional help, now is the time to be able to do that. You guys like my black eye? Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. I was riding my Harley and this guy pulled out in front of me, so I laid my bike down and it completely destroyed my bike. But all I got was this black eye. Pretty lucky, huh? Actually, that's a lie. That's not true at all. My 2-year-old had butted me in the face. He's a bad kid. All right, moving on. Multiples go up. Always remember they go up, make that little arrow so you remember. Multiples always go up. It's like skip counting, like what you did in second grade when you counted by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, things like that. Okay? It says list the first 5 multiples of 9. Well, the first one's easy. It's 9. And if you don't know your 9s very well, that's okay. Just add 9 more to it. Okay? If you can't skip count by 9s, just keep adding 9 every time. So 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 9 more, 27. Plus 9 more, 36. Plus 9 more, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right? List the first 5 multiples of 5. Easy enough. Let's start with 5. Count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. All right, get the idea? All you're doing is skip counting by that number. Listing multiples, skip counting by that number. Make sure you have these notes down. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to do factors. All right, so make sure you pause. Make sure you have all this down. Make sure you're following the directions. List the first 4, 5, 5. List 3, list 4. Make sure you're following those directions. Okay, don't do more work than you need to, and don't do less than you're expected to do. All right, giving you 3 seconds to pause. And I'm going to erase and move on. All right, factors. Factors go down. Factors go down. Make note of that right now. Factors. I'll straighten this out a minute. This is going to drive me crazy. Factors go down. Okay? You should never have a factor that is higher than your number. They should always be lower. So we have to list everything we can multiply to get 56. Okay? So first, the easy one, 1 and 56. That's always a factor. Okay? If you need your multiplication chart, grab it now so you can figure out everything that makes 56. I know 2 can make 56 because it's an even number. 6 is even, so I know it can go in there. And if you multiply it and figure it out, you would see that it's 28 times it can go in there. That's kind of a harder one. All right, 3. 3 cannot, because if 3 went into 5, it'd go in once, and you'd have 2 left over, and then you'd have 26, and 3 won't go into 26. 4 though will. 4 and, let's see, 2 is half of 4, so what would be half of 28? How about 14? Okay? 5 will not. 5, this has to end in a 0 or a 5 to be divisible by 5. Okay? 6. 6 will not, because I know that 6 times 9 is 54. That's too close. And then we have 7 times 8. And you know you're done because those numbers go back to back. 7 and 8 go back to back, so that tells you you're done. All right, let's try 34. Of course, we got 1 and 34. That's the easy one. And 2 has to go into that because it's an even number. So we've got 2 and, let's see, it would be 17. Okay? 3 will not, because 3 goes into 3 once, but then you've got this 4 and you'd end up with a remainder. 5, nope, it doesn't end in a 5 or 0. 6, nope, because 6 times 6 is 36, and that's too close. 7, nope, because 7 times 5 is 35, and that's too close. 8, nope, because 8 times 4 is 32. 9, no, 9 times 4 is 36, and we're done. And we only go through 9. So those are your factors. All right, I'm going to give you one more. 16. 1 and 16. 2 times what is 16? If you said 8, you were right. 3. 3 will not work because 3 times 5 is 15, and that's too close to 16. But 4 times 4 will. Now, if you have a number like this, you don't need to write it twice. You only need to write it once. Okay? And 5, no, because 5, 10, 15, that's too close. 6, nope, because 6 times 3 is 18. 7, nope, 7 times 2 is 14. So that won't work because it's too close to 16. And then we're back to 8. And since 8 is already listed, that tells us we are done. All right, I hope this helped you out. Make sure you finish this work on your own and turn it in for some credit. And when you're ready, please let me know so that you can reassess and get your grades up and doing good. Make great choices. Have a great day.